In this video, let us look into the general solutions of sine square theta equals sine square alpha, cos square theta equals cos square alpha, and tan square theta equals tan square alpha. Now, if you remember the last thing that we saw, the last form that we saw, of any trigonometric equation was sine theta equals sine alpha, cos theta equals cos alpha, and so on. Here, the only difference is it's being squared. It's sine square theta equals sine square alpha, cos square theta equals cos square alpha, and tan square theta equals tan square alpha. Now, let us look into all of them as to what their general solutions are. Alright, let us look into the general solution of the first one, that is sine square theta equals sine square alpha. The general solution for that is theta equals n pi plus or minus alpha, where n is an integer. And here is the next one, cos square theta equals cos square alpha. Now, if you're wondering if I've written the same thing, well, yes, I have written the same thing, but that's not a mistake because it is the same thing. The general solutions for all the three given trigonometric equations here are indeed the same. That is, for cos square theta equals cos square alpha, we have theta equals n pi plus or minus alpha, where n is an integer. And it's the same with tan square theta equal to tan square alpha as well. Let me just quickly write that down for you. Alright, so here it is, tan square theta equals tan square alpha. Again, the general solution for tan square theta equal to tan square alpha is no different than sine square theta equal to sine square alpha or cos square theta equal to cos square alpha. It is theta equals n pi plus or minus alpha, where n is an integer. Alright, so it's only going to become so much more easier for you to solve problems based on these because you don't have to remember a lot of things. You just have to remember one thing, that is the general solution for the squared thing is going to be theta equals n pi plus or minus alpha, where n is an integer. Alright, so that ends this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with problems based on these general solutions.